Hi, and welcome to Content That Clicks, your go-to pod class for mastering content in the tech world. We're two writers based in the MENA region, breaking down everything you need to know about content in all of its forms to level up your skills, your product, and your business.
In each episode, we unpack a different way content can level up your business, whether it's fixing UX issues, getting localization right, or using AI without sounding like a robot. Because when your content clicks, so do your metrics.
Today, it's time for a content boost where we share one of our favorite quick hit content tips to level up your tech writing.
And like we always say, this isn't just a podcast, it's a pod class. So grab your notebook because we're about to share a game-changing perspective that will transform how you write your content.
But first, a quick intro. I'm Rochelle.
And I'm Hennie.
And we are content experts. Together, we have more than 25 years experience writing for over 100 brands across 15 countries.
And we're here to help you write content that clicks. Let's get into it.
For today's boost, we're talking about sandwiches, but not just any sandwich, the AI sandwich.
First things first, let's talk about the elephant in the room. AI writing tools are everywhere. ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, you name it. If you're working in tech in the MENA region, chances are you're already using them, or wondering if you should.
And here's the thing, AI can be an amazing tool for writers, but if you're not intentional, it can actually make your content worse. But there is a sweet spot, and it's all about using AI strategically. And that is where the AI sandwich comes in.
Okay, let's break it down. Step 1, the bottom slice of the bread is you. Your brief, your message, your structure. This is where your brain shines. Think, who's the audience? What's the goal? What's the tone of voice? This is not the time to be asking ChatGPT, hey, what should I write? It's the time to be asking yourself what you're trying to say.
Exactly. Now, once you've got that in place, it's time for the filling. And for this part, it's over to AI because AI tools can help in very practical ways. Some of my favorite ways to use it as a writer are to turn my bullet point ideas into a rough blog outline, or make suggestions for how to improve a paragraph that I've already written, and maybe sometimes as well to repurpose content that I've created into different formats. So what we need to do is think of AI like the middle of the sandwich. It's there to help you build up and bulk out your content.
Next up comes a slice of bread on the top, and that's you again. You're the one reviewing, rewriting, checking tone, fixing facts, and making sure your content actually sounds like your brand. And honestly, this last step is where the magic happens. We've all seen those posts that have clearly been copied straight from ChatGPT and pasted right onto LinkedIn. And it really shows. You do not want to be that brand. Not if you want to keep your users' trust.
Okay, so let's quickly recap on the AI sandwich approach for writing content. First layer is your ideas, your strategy, and your tone of voice. And now this is always human-led. Next, in the middle, you use AI to build out and develop your content. This is time for the robots to shine. Then finally, you top with human-led review and polish.
The beauty of this approach is that it saves time without sacrificing quality. It's fast, but it's still you. And today, when everyone can access ChatGPT to churn out near identical content, having your own unique spin on things has never been more important. Using the AI sandwich approach keeps your voice, your expertise, and your credibility intact.
That's it for today's content boost. We'll be back next time with another quick win for sharper content and smoother experiences.
If you want more tips like these, you can follow us on Instagram at Content That Clicks or TikTok at contentthatclicks.pod.
You can also let us know what you think of today's content boost by dropping us a DM or emailing us at contentthatclickspod@gmail.com.
Until next time, keep making content that clicks.